Now, this video, guys, I want to show you how to add contacts so I can use the run campaign. So once you log in, come to the dashboard, contact list. Contact list is selecting different type of lists and importing those contacts inside it. Let's say I have contact list for maybe I'm into I'm into development. I have contact list for e-commerce customer audience. I can save. So I have the contact list already as CSV. I click on this star here, then click on import. Once I click on import and I import it, it comes there. I can also add manually if you want to add manually. The choice, I can add manually, maybe 0 is my number, my name. So save. Automatically the number stays inside. So if you want to run, there's an error here, but that doesn't mean anything. You can always save it. You can always write it again. So if you now have the contact in bulk, just come to this import and import this contact inside it. And if you want to export the contact back again to CSV, you can click on this export. Everything will be exported back to CSV. So this is how you import contact list. Now, if you want to add this contact list inside the sending side, want to come to sending here. Let's say you want to send the email. Send the email and you want to attach it here. All you need to do is just come to this manual side, click on it, contact list. You select the contact list you want, automatically select. You can see it's been selected. So templates can create templates. As template is like the message type. Maybe template for different type of discounts. You can create a template obviously, so you can select template that you want. So I don't have to fill it again. So that's that. So once you fill everything that you send, it goes to the contact you add here. So this is how you add contact. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.